In this video, we'll take a look at the 5 best 4G flip phones for 2025, perfect for anyone craving that classic feel with a modern twist. Whether you want a minimalist device for fewer distractions or a reliable backup phone with long battery life, these flip phones deliver smart features with a nostalgic vibe. So, let's get started. Number 5. Mafam F899. The Mafam F899 is a compact flip phone designed specifically with seniors in mind. Measuring just 105 by 54 by 20 millimeters, it fits comfortably in the hand or pocket and is easy to carry anywhere. Its foldable design reveals a spacious keypad with large, easy-to-press buttons and bold fonts, making dialing, texting, and navigation simple and stress-free for users with limited vision or dexterity. Safety is a top priority with the Mafam F899. It features an SOS emergency call button, allowing users to instantly reach emergency services or a trusted contact with one press, providing crucial peace of mind. The dual-screen setup includes a 1.4-inch outer screen for quick alerts and a 2.4-inch inner display for clear visibility of messages, calls, and contacts. This layout helps users access essential information at a glance. Sound quality is also a strong point. The phone is equipped with 2 speakers, an external speaker that alerts you to incoming calls even when the phone is closed, and an internal speaker for clear audio during calls. The built-in LED flashlight offers added convenience in dark environments. Speed dial functionality is included for fast, one-touch access to important contacts. Supporting dual SIM cards, the F899 is perfect for separating personal and work numbers in one device. With its senior-friendly design, strong safety features, and practical usability, the Mafam F899 stands out as a reliable and thoughtful choice for older adults looking for a dependable mobile phone. Number 4. YeeMI K21+. The YeeMI K21+ is a user-friendly flip phone tailored for seniors who value simplicity, safety, and practicality. With dimensions of 105 by 54 by 20 millimeters, it offers a compact and lightweight design that is easy to hold and carry in any pocket or bag. Opening the device reveals large, clearly marked buttons with bold fonts, making dialing and texting easy for users with limited vision or mobility. The layout is straightforward and highly intuitive, designed to reduce frustration and increase accessibility. Safety is built into the YeeMI K21, plus with a dedicated SOS emergency call button. A single press instantly connects the user to emergency services or a preset contact, offering reassurance during urgent situations. The dual-screen setup enhances functionality. The 1.4-inch external display provides at-a-glance information like time, battery status, or missed calls, while the larger 2.4-inch internal screen ensures excellent visibility for reading messages, viewing contacts, and navigating menus. For sound clarity, the YeeMI K21+ features 2 separate speakers. The external speaker ensures loud ring alerts, even when the phone is closed, while the internal speaker delivers clear, crisp audio during calls. Additional features include a built-in LED flashlight for low-light environments and speed dial options for quicker access to frequently used numbers. Dual SIM card support allows users to manage personal and professional contacts separately within a single device. With its smart design and essential features, the YeeMI K21+ is a dependable mobile phone choice for seniors seeking comfort, safety, and simplicity. Number 3. Uniwa V202T. The Uniwa V202T is a 4G feature phone that combines the nostalgia of a flip phone with modern functionality. With dual screens, It features a 2.4-inch ultra-responsive internal display and a 1.77-inch external screen, allowing you to view calls, messages, and alerts without having to open the phone. This makes it ideal for quick updates while on the go. Designed with seniors in mind, the V202T offers large buttons and bold fonts, ensuring easy navigation and readability. Its classic clamshell design is both sturdy and compact, fitting comfortably in your pocket or bag. Despite its retro appearance, this phone is equipped with modern features, including support for global 4G network bands, ensuring reliable connectivity wherever you are. Powered by the Uniwa T17 chipset, the V202T offers solid performance, and its 1,450 mAh removable battery provides long-lasting usage. The phone can store up to 2,000 contacts in its phone book, with an option to expand storage up to 32 GB using a micro SD card, giving you plenty of space for photos, music, and files. While the Uniwa V202T has limited app support and a basic processor, it offers excellent value with its easy-to-use design, long battery life, and support for modern connectivity. Whether you're staying connected at home or on the move, this phone keeps things simple without sacrificing essential features. Number 2. YeeMI G10. The YeeMI G10 flip phone combines a classic flip design with modern features, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate simplicity and functionality. It boasts a dual-screen setup with a larger external display for easy access to notifications and a 2.8-inch internal screen that offers clear visuals for texts, calls, and images. The G10 is designed with big, easy-to-press buttons and large fonts, ensuring effortless navigation and readability, making it perfect for users with vision difficulties. One of the standout features of the G10 is its on-a-touch quick dial function, allowing you to reach your family or friends with just the press of a button. The phone is equipped with 3D surround sound speakers and a voice broadcast system, delivering loud and clear sound, so you'll never miss an incoming call, ideal for those with hearing impairments. The YeeMI G10 also includes a rear high-definition digital camera to capture memories and a built-in LED flashlight for added safety during nighttime activities. The large-capacity 1,800 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, so you don't have to worry about frequent charging. With dual SIM and dual standby support, the G10 allows you to manage work and personal calls with ease, all while offering the reliability and durability you need in a feature phone. Though the camera quality and functionality are basic, the YeeMI G10 excels in ease of use, powerful sound, and long battery life. Number 1. Blackview N2000. The Blackview N2000 flip phone combines modern functionality with a nostalgic design. Weighing just 112 grams, this ultralight phone is incredibly portable, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. It features 2 screens. The external display shows you quick previews of incoming calls and notifications, so you don't have to flip the phone open every time. When you do open it, you'll find a 2.8-inch main display that's adjustable, perfect for larger text and improved brightness for a more comfortable viewing experience. Navigating the N2000 is simple with its intuitive backlit keypad, making it easy to use day or night. You can also set up shortcuts for quick access to features like the FM radio, camera, and torch. With 48 megabytes of random access memory, the N2000 provides smooth performance for everyday tasks. Plus, with 128 megabytes of internal storage and the option to expand it up to 64 gigabytes, with a micro SD card, you'll have plenty of space for photos, videos, and music. The phone also offers clear audio with a built-in loudspeaker that's hearing aid compatible. It includes an FM radio for on-the-go entertainment and a bright torch that's easy to activate with a shortcut. Powered by a 1500 mAh battery, the Blackview N2000 ensures long-lasting performance, keeping you connected all day. With dual SIM support, you can manage personal and professional calls on the same device, making it a convenient and reliable choice for seniors. There you have it, the 5 best 4G flip phones for 2025 that combine classic design with modern features. Whether you're looking for simplicity, durability, or smart capabilities in a compact form, there's a flip phone here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.